Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make gluten-free chocolate chip cookies.
I have my bananas, my egg, my 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a quarter cup of stevia, my 5 tablespoons of PB2, 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt in here. And I'm going to put the lid on and chop it up. I've stirred in my batter with my oats and my chocolate chips, and I've added my vanilla, and I'm ready to put it on the cookie sheet. Okay, we're ready to go in the oven. Here are my cookies after 15 minutes in a 350 oven.